Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful ECM espresso machine. It comes to us with low flow and the water pump was like halfway clogged. Most of the tubes needs to be cleaned. So I put tune up on that machine. I unclogged the water pump and all of that clogged tubes, and I deep cleaned the group head. This is the old shower screen and the group head gasket. Replace the hot water tap. This one after deep clean the steam one. Give it cleaning cycle and 2 cycles of descaling after that. And service the flow control here. So let me show how the flow now. This is halfway, so I can go to there or like faster this way. So this is when it's here in this position, it's in the middle. So I go ahead and make a espresso shot on it. When it's here in the middle, it's giving me the perfect shot now with this grind, but you can adjust it if you have coarser grind, so you go to you push it down to get less flow. If you have finer, so you get more flow to get it done. Look at this beautiful shot with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee coming out of this machine. Let me test the steamer. This is perfect, and the hot water. That works great too. The machine starts refilling right away, and it's silent, the water pump now. So yeah, the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.